Hey YouTube, we're gonna do Beach Bunny. Wait a minute, it's not Beach Bunny, it's Tiger Lili. Tiger Lili is the same person. Right? It's just like different names for the same person. So the song begins on B minor. I'll show you some different ways to play that. Let me show you the chord progression first. I come to California with flowers in my hair. That's the first musical phrase. B minor, D, the second musical phrase begins conveniently on E minor. I'll pretend to love you, you pretend to care. Then goes the G at the end of that second phrase. So we're going to be on E minor for 2 bars because the first part ends on E minor. Then it stays on I'll pretend to love you goes the D. If you pretend A to care. And then finishes on the G. That's the verse of that little sequence. B minor, D, A, E minor, E minor, D, A, G. That makes up the verse. And I think at the end of the second verse it goes twice. It repeats that little D, A, G, and it goes into the chorus. Before we cover the chorus though, let's talk about this B minor. Well, one way I've told people to play the B minor is take your A minor and just shift it up to so your index finger's on the 3rd fret. You play A minor at the 3rd fret, it becomes a B minor. That's one way. And then another common way is to put your first finger at the 2nd fret on the high E, your second finger, your ring finger, or your middle finger on the B string at the 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the G at the 4th fret. It'll also give you a B minor. If you want to make it sound a little more full, you can move your ring finger up to the D string on the 4th fret, and you can place your pinky on the G string at the 4th. A lot of people play the minor chords like this. Alright. So you could try any of those ways will do. But the important thing to remember here in this song is that B minor and D, they're kind of like cousins. They're kind of like related musically. Then E minor and G, they're also kind of like cousins. They're related musically. All right, so then we go to we go to the chorus. Let's remember I mentioned the end of the verse kind of goes never quite all there. Does that twice, and that is kind of setting us up for the chorus. Never, never there, never there. for this. This is the chorus. D, A, G. I love him. All right. So we're gonna say that this is the chorus. D, A, G. Now, if you want to play it exactly like the recording, she does some variations in there. But what is going on there is, all right, the first time she plays D, A, G. And then, you know, there, but I love him. So D, A, G, never there. Then she plays a B minor instead of the D. Okay, and then on the final time around, we're going B minor, A, E minor. So the first part of the chorus, she's going D, A, G. It's all major. It's all very happy. And by the end, we're like, we're playing almost, we're playing 2 of the 3 chords are minor. So, but if you know what, you don't have to play it that way. You could just play D, A, G. If we look at this bar chord, there's another way to play the B minor. Is you take away these 2 fingers, you'll see the D chord is right in there. All right, right here we're playing it with a bar, but we're playing a D chord right there. So that's why you can substitute D for B minor. Right, that's one way to think about it. Play it either way, it's gonna be fine. All right, then at the end of the song, everything changes up. We go to an outro, and it's kind of a new chord progression. At the end of the second chorus, which remember we said it goes to E minor at the end fret, we're gonna play A string, open D, on the A string at the 4th fret, and then an open D, 5th fret, open D, 7th fret, and then we're gonna go to this little G shape. That's how it ends. Does that like 2 or 3 times. This is like a transition. Then we go into the outro, which is a different chord progression. Okay, and then after it does that like 4 times, then it goes into a new chord progression, and it's very like modern rock, and it's got like a Moog synthesizer playing like a string synthesizer line. It goes into basically B minor, D, A, E minor. But I wouldn't be surprised if she threw in a G instead of the E minor, or she substituted. I just recommend you play B minor, D, A, E minor. Something like that. Anyways, that's Tiger Lili Lightning. Hope this helps you if you want to play the song, and don't forget to subscribe because helps keep YouTube off my back so I can make these videos. All right, thanks. Bye.